Jam 5, hujan lagi. Muhammad Khair, Muhammad Yasin. Itu ramalan, pendirian yang tak berpijak pada lahan, kenyataan. Itu andaian, kesombongan yang tak jenuh menguji kebenaran. Jam 5, hujan lagi. Itu cuba uji untuk menandingi hakiki. Siapa yang sengaja menconteng grafiti takdir di dinding bumi, beriman hati. Ada hamun maki, bernada puisi yang tak ada di dalam kamus rasmi. Ceritalah jika ada yang berani melawan gelombang bongkak. Berkaryalah dengan novel yang enggan ditelanjangi ketakutan. Bersajaklah dengan cerpen tanpa pakaian terhadap perkataan dan kawalan mauduk kandungan. Berpantunlah dalam rangkap-rangkap mengharap adab tanpa susunan rima kebiasaan yang sudah lapuk berzaman. At 5, It Rains Again by Muhammad Khair, Muhammad Yasin. That's a prediction, a stance without footing on the land of reality. That's an assumption, arrogance that doesn't stop protesting actuality. At 5, it rains again, trying to challenge, trying to compete with certainty. Whoever deliberately scribbles the graffiti of fate on the walls of the earth, his heart filled with faith. There exists obscenity with poetic harmony that doesn't exist in the dictionary. Tell the story if anyone's brave to fight the waves of vanity. Write the story, a novel which refuses to be denuded by timidity. Write the poetry, a short prose, naked from suppression of words and forbiddance of meaning. Write the poem, the stanzas proposing affability without the usual structure, without the same rhyme, the archaic rhyme swallowed by time.